And once I have a map, I'm gonna be able to check where to go now. But I don't have it yet, guys. I only have GPS and compass. Oh, let me see over there. Damn, look how I'm like a tiny. Oh, wait, no! Ah. Oh, crap! Ah, there you go. Ah, I remember like it broke like that before. Oh, what did I expect? Nothing. Just that gun, but I already tried it. But I'm gonna go now. Yeah, this is so huge. It's gonna take forever. It's gonna take a while to explore. All right, like this. Ow! Oh, the tunnel. All right, I think I do recognize that tunnel. Oh wow. No, I'll explore another time. I'm sure once I get a map GPS. Oh wow. Here too. Like I was saying earlier, is that once I get a map and GPS, I can be able to. Check around. Map, GPS, and compass. Uzi! Hey! Hey! Thank you. I'm gonna waste this. Where's the difference? Okay, not bad. Okay, yeah, nothing. I can't really tell the difference. Isn't this good, or? I know it's just like fast. Ah, it's the same. Okay. Yeah, I'm stick with the Uzi. There we go. Woo! Yeah, guess it doesn't work. Man, the flare. Why doesn't work? Ha, shotgun. If you get the other one, it's just like auto fire. You can keep on clicking it, and boom, wastes quite a bit. Oh damn, it is really big. It's gonna take me a while to explore. Yeah, maybe I should, so I can complete that. Oh, still more. Oh, okay, no, I guess that's no more after that. Oh, yes, map! Thank you. Well, I guess I might not be able to show you guys, but I'm gonna get rid of this. Or a shovel, yeah. So this is where I'm at. Oh, okay, there we go. Damn. See, on the military, it's a military airfield, but where's the one that has like a big city? I mean, it's like a hill. I think I know like there was a military here somewhere, I believe. You know, I mean, let's check it out over there before I head to Ken. Wait, I'm like that far already? So, factory and then... Wow, I don't know where I'm going. Okay, at least I got a map. That's a lot of exploring to do. So I can do this and see where I'm going. That's where I'm heading. Okay. You know what, I'm gonna go turn around. Let me go see what's over there first. What the heck is that? Is it like some kind of fire pit? Oh, it is. What the heck was that doing up there? Oh, that's hey, G36. Hey, I'm taking that. See how fast. Oh yeah, it shoots hella fast. Oh, yep, G36. My go-to, baby. Yeah, got myself a G36K. Yes, I'm taking it. Wow, get to find it. I find it legit, guys. Alright, I'm gonna go check over here. There has to be a military over there. I know there's like another military, but I need to check it out. See for it for myself. Alright, I could just do a sharp turn. So, military airfield. That's what it's called. Alright, I'm seeing if I'm in the hilly place and I could be able to find it in no time. Let me see how it goes. I don't know. It's been a while, guys, so just bear with me. I might have forgotten. It's been years since I played Reborn. Oh, maybe, yeah, it's around here. I recognize that mountain there. Yeah, you guys can find my old Pogs Rising videos. You guys check out my YouTube channel. Old ones. So, okay. Yeah, I think I remember. So, it should be around here somewhere. Or, other than that, if the owner did some changes in Reborn, but oh, that's odd. Really? Wonder where I can find the big hill though. Okay, I'm completely lost. So many things to do. Oh, I can check the mines. Let me check it out. Also check out there while I'm at it. So mines is just over there. Anyway, if I can do my to-do list, I can check out mines in Windy Peak Campground. This is amazing, guys. I believe the mines is bigger. I get to check it out again, guys. Wait. Oh wait, no, I don't think it's. I think here. Okay. This is why it's good to check out the map. Wait, I'm confused. Isn't the mine supposed to be over here? Wait, this is confusing, guys. Map's like not telling me where to go. Is this the correct path? I don't know. I'm out of words. Oh, okay, there you go. Okay. I guess I have to look around after all. Boom. Let's get rid of this. Alright. Yeah, oh, that's pilot helmet. Oh yeah, see what I mean, guys? 4 times bigger. Like, look how big this is. It's a big mine. Yeah, I guess I have to look around after all, guys. But yeah, so military airfield. I know there's like another one. There's like a big hill. Or maybe could it be at Corey? I'm still gonna look around. Yeah, it's so big. And the shotgun. Oh no, Maverick. Nah. It was an Olive 5 and real useful. Eye patch. I'll take 9 ammo. Ooh. Alright. I'm gonna eat and drink. What the? I got it. Hey, you can hear the wind still as well. Oh man, it's so big. SKS. I'm kind of completely lost. Now the map. Man, I'm so lost. Hope I'm not lost. Hope I'm not gonna be trapped here forever like a maze. I'm not really a fan of maze, guys. I'm not at all. It's not my thing. Ah, there you go. Isaac? What you need me for? Okay. Alright, guess that's pretty much it. Yeah, really big. Like, some people make a base out of here. Yeah, look, man, this. I'm out of words for this. I don't think I can explore the whole thing, guys. It's too much. I already know what to expect there. So my truck is somewhere around here. Ah, my little brothers. It's like waiting for me, but I need to hurry. Where can I get my truck? Don't tell me I lost my truck already. That can't be right. Oh, I think my truck's in there. Okay, yeah, I remember. Kind of forget sometimes. Alright, once I get back in my truck, I'm gonna go check out what's my little brother doing, guys, right now. So, I'm gonna pause it. Oh, damn you, mother. Oh, shit, scared me. There we go. See, like I was saying earlier, is that once I unpause, that's when I'm back. So, see you guys in a bit. Oh yeah, I'm back, guys. So, I explore the mines. Now I'm gonna go check out Windy Peak Campground. It reminds me of when I went to a camp before, back when I was little. I believe called Camp Seymour. Yeah. It's located around Washington State. I think like passed by Tacoma, I believe. It's been a while since I went there. I they got sick at Camp Seymour the day after that. Ended up going home after that. They saw my classmates who were feeling bad that I got sick or something. I think it was like a really high fever. Really, it's quite a pain. You know, I was like sick. I didn't know what was I doing. I was like yelling and screaming, like it hurts. Then my cabin mates are like, where do I go? What's happening to me? Like yeah, like me being sick. Really, being sick really sucks. That's why I don't have COVID-19, guys. I don't want to get COVID-19. This is like not accurate though. Oh, so I can. Oh yeah, the military. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, I was right. Yeah, this word, guys. This military. Wow, man, it's so big. Bigger than the one that reimagined. I knew it. Yeah. See, yep, my memory still remember, guys. Even the years pass. I know my friend, my brother named Ray, and my friend named Twisty. I think Super Twisty. That's what he wants to be called sometimes. But him and I, all of us like drive with the police car. That was funny. I laughed so hard. Those were the good old days. I played Box Rising like hours, spending time, you know, having a good time. Good story, guys. You can live to tell a tale. And nope, your car wheels don't need that. Alright, I'm gonna go check out Windy Peak Campground. And I could definitely explore the military there as well. So it doesn't tell the name, but it is actually there, guys. So yeah, I guess I'm correct after all. Woo! Man, I could definitely teleport. It's like not for me from Rising Hero. Like if you guys know that show. Anime series coming. Season 2 is coming in April. Can't wait to watch that, guys. I did binge watch that last year. It was worth it. Yeah, this is the campground. Yeah. Oh wow. A lot of food though. If you don't know where to get more food, campground is the choice. I know you can find food often. You can find food anywhere, but if you want more food, this place shall do, guys. Yeah, if I leave right now, I'm gonna lose the truck, so I'm not gonna leave yet, guys. I was thinking about testing it out. Yep, I really am having fun exploring. Because I'll be exploring this before my friend. Yeah, I'll take my friend places to place. Yep, all food. Now, anyways, I'm gonna show you guys the military. That's weird, it doesn't show the name. I don't think it does anyways. But yeah, I was right all along, guys. So nearby Windy Peak Campground, there's another military. Man, if I jump down there or drive down there, I can die or something. I think I did try it before, but I don't think I want to try it in this video. Maybe next time. Just like that, and boom. Forget it. I'm good. I'm good. I can't remember if you can take damage or something, but I don't want to take chances. I'm good. How big this military is. It's so huge. See, yep, 4 times bigger. So I explored mines, Windy Peak, and did explore a bit of factory, military airfield. Yeah, so the military airfield is near to this military. So yeah, doesn't show the name. Now memory's coming back to me now, guys. Yeah. Can I fit here? Nope. Oh, shoot. No! Back all. I shouldn't have done that. I'll show you guys, doing driving tests, like back around the corner. It's like this. But you have to be, so imagine that this is the curve, right? Be like within like 12 feet something, like this. And do like this, guys. Be sure you have to look around. Alright, okay. Yeah, okay, it's hard. Forget it. I'm good. It's like back around the corner, it's like that. Back up. You have to be really close to the curb. Well, 12 feet or something? It really depends on the driver. I know, like, my driving instructor did rush me a bit. I don't know why. He shouldn't have done that, though. Let's see what I can find here. I can find something good here. Oh, katana! Wow. Alright, I'm gonna pick that up again. Nah, I'm so used to breaking glass, but like I said, it doesn't work like that. Patriot. I mean, no, ammo. Gonna waste! Oh, scope. I just like the lace. Yes. Boom. Ah, man, that was a military. Oh, G37. Oh, PP90.